So a diesel smoke meter, it's a diagnostic tool that's used to ensure proper maintenance of diesel engines. Our model is accredited to the latest Euro 6 standards. It is also compatible with the modern MOT and ATF test stations. Having a diesel smoke meter can help improve fuel economy and protection for the environment. The smoke meter is designed to meet the latest DVSA requirements for car, bus and trucks. It comes as standard with a handheld tablet and it is fully DVSA approved. Yeah, so the smoke meter head is entered into the exhaust. Once the accelerator has been given a rev, you'll get a pass or a fail. The results will then appear on the handheld tablet. These can be recalled at a later date or printed out. The smoke meter detects and measures the amount of light blocked in a sample of smoke emitted from diesel engines, cars, vans, buses, coaches and trucks. The smoke meter readout displays the smoke density, giving out measure of the efficiency of combustion. It requires a service and calibration every 12 months. During the calibration, the smoke meter is fully stripped down, thoroughly checked and returned to the customer. If for any reason additional work is required, there are loan units available for the customer to take hold of. So we've always got people available to talk on the phone or video chat. We can also set up a site survey if needed, so we can have a face-to-face meeting. Just give the office a call and we'll take it from there. Alternatively, you can look on our website. We've got lots of brochures and spec sheets available to look at.